In this quick video guide, we're gonna see how we can create stickers for WhatsApp. So you can either get it from libraries, so you have some presets and you can choose which one you want. You wanna save it in your WhatsApp to use it in your chat, in your messages. Otherwise, you can create your own. Now, I'm gonna go in the Play Store here and just look for sticker. And you will find a lot of apps that can help you to create stickers for WhatsApp. Now, in my case, I wanna use this one here, which is called Sticker Maker. But again, you have a lot of choice here. You have a lot of options if you want to use other apps. So I'm gonna go for this one here and I'm gonna open it up. So the first time is gonna ask me to create a new package, a new pack of stickers. So I'm gonna just create a new one. And this is right now in Italian, but it's so simple that you probably would understand anyway by looking at the pictures and the icons. So just go there, create a new pack, call it something. I'm just gonna call it here test, and that's my package right there. Well, now that's an empty package. So if I click inside, you can see this is totally empty. So I can start to add pictures. I can start to shoot with my camera right away, or I can do a selfie, or I can just open up the library and upload whatever image I have in my library of pictures and photos and so on. So this one here is like a clock. So you have the tools at the bottom of the app, so you can like rotate. You can try with the automatic selection of the object, but the most popular thing you probably want to do is just define an area to create the sticker. Now be careful, because as soon as you use your finger on the picture, it's going to create a cut. So it's going to cut like that. Like that dashed line represents your cuts. You can do a rectangular cut, you can do a circular cut, you can rotate again the image if it's not positioned correctly, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to do more, there are some other pictures editors, some photo editors that you can use. You can see it in a channel. So I'm going to use the scissors here to cut out the image that I don't need. So I'm just going to like define a path around my image that is going to be my sticker. So you can see there on the top left, that's kind of a magnifying glass that's showing me how I'm going. So I'm just gonna go real quick here and not so precise, but there it is, that's my sticker. So I can just save it. I can change actually the border color, and I can add some text if I want from the buttons that you find on the top. Add text and choose a different type of width and color for the contour, for the silhouette, for the path around the sticker. And when you're ready, just click on save, and that's it. That's your, well, actually, that's the presentation icon right there. Is kind of a thumbnail that's going to represent your library. So before you actually can export, you need to create at least 3 different stickers in a library. So what I'm going to do here is just with the same technique, create 3 different cutouts of the image and then save them as different stickers. Now, if you're interested in the community page, you will find other stickers that you can use. There you go. So I created the 3 stickers. Now I can click on add to WhatsApp, or the green button at the bottom is going to add it to WhatsApp. So I'm ready to go into WhatsApp. And here I am. This is a chat, the family chat, or try with whatever chat you want. And here in the message, you can either use an emoticon or a text or a GIF or a sticker. That's the sticker icon down there at the bottom. So you can see I don't have favorites yet. I don't have like too many, but this is the one that I just added. This is mine. This is the thumbnail right there at the top and the 3 stickers on the bottom. Now, if I want more, you have the plus icon there, and you can see there are so many stickers available for you on the web. So you just go there, search for whatever you want, and then upload them, insert them, or you can use any other sticker here to customize, to create your own. You can see how many stickers are there that can be connected to WhatsApp. Just the apps, you will find them there in the bottom. So I'm going to just use one of these. There you go. I'm just going to click on one, and that's it. The job is done. So that's a pretty easy video guide right here. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support us with a little thank you, you can just join the channel as a supporter. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video guide.